you all. Dear friends, in our last session, we have read how to represent graphically of a linear equation into variables. So after learning those procedure, that the sums of exercise is going to be started. So few examples we have discussed over there. Here we are going to learn about the exercise 4.3, the question number 3. Right friends? So why we have not taken the question number first and second? Because the same procedure we have learned there in the example of the last session lecture. आज हम लोग इस एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पढ़ने चल रहे हैं. So what is given in this third question, which is the different from the examples that we have discussed? Students, question number 1 and question number 2 you have to solve by your own self. If you are facing any problem, so you have to inform me. I'll give you the solution with the parts you have to tell me, right? So see the question number 3. In this it is given, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equals to ax plus 7. This is the equation, linear equation in two variables given. And of this linear equation in two variables, there is a solution. What is 3, 4? Means x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4. Then question is asking, find the value of this a. We are going to find out the value of a. So let us see the solution of this question. In the solution of this, since it is given 3, 4 lies on this line. So since point 3, 4 lies on the line 3y equals to ax plus 7. So 3, 4 lies on this line. This implies that this x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4, so it means x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4 are the solution of the equation 3y equals to ax plus 7. Right friends? So as these values are solution of this equation, it means these values of x and y satisfies this equation. Means we can substitute these values of x and y, so we can get the value of a easily. So as our equation is 3y is equals to ax plus 7. So in this equation we have to substitute x is equals to 4, 3 and y is equals to 4. So easily we can get the value of this a. So 3 into y and the value of y is 4 equals to a into x and the value of x is 3 plus 7. Let us solve it. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12 equals to 3 into a, that is 3a plus 7. Now bring this 7 to the left side. Here its sign is plus. So after transpose, its sign will be minus. So equation becomes 12 minus 7 equals to 3 of A. And 12 minus 7 is 5. That is equals to 3 of A. Therefore, 3 of A is equals to 5. So A is equals to 5 upon 3 is our required answer. This is the value of A. So dear friends, if there is any problem, again just listen, this is as 3, 4 lies on the graph of this equation. It means this 3, 4 is the solution of this equation. Means the value of x is 3, y is equals to 4 are the solution of this given equation. 3y equals to ax plus 7. Now substitute these two values of x and y in the given equation. 3y is equals to ax plus 4. So 3 into y, it means 3 into the value of y, which is 4, equals to a into 3, a into x, that is the value of x is 3, a into 3 plus 7. Simplify, 3 4s are 12, 3 of a equals to 3 of a plus 7. Now bring this 7, transpose this 7 to the left side, you will get 12 minus 7 equals to 3 of a. 12 minus 7 is 5 equals to 3a. So a is equals to 5 upon 3 is our required answer of this question. Okay? Okay friends, let's see the next question. Next question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. In any of the city, the taxi fare is given at this condition. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. For first kilometer if you travel, so you will give 8 rupees. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. After 1 kilometer, the subsequent distance, the fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as rupees y, write the linear equation for this information. As this information is given, we have to write down the linear equation of this practical information, and afterwards it is given and draw its graph also. So the students, we are going to explain how to frame the equation. After equation we will learn what will be the graph of this equation, right? So first of all, it is important to frame the equation of this real life application, right, of this information. So as it is given, taking the distance covered as x kilometer. So in the solution of this, distance covered is equals to x kilometer. Now this x kilometer, we are going to split it in two parts according to the information of this question. So this x kilometer can be written as first 1 kilometer, the first kilometer, plus the remaining kilometer is x minus 1 kilometer. For example, any of the person is traveling 5 kilometer. So for he traveled 5 kilometer. So for first kilometer he has to pay rupees 8, and the remaining distance, which is 4 kilometer, and how it is 5 minus 1, that is 4 kilometer, he has to pay at the rate of 5 rupees per kilometer according to the given information. That's why this distance I have split it into two parts, right? So now we are going to find out the fare paid by the person who traveled the distance x kilometer. So fare of x kilometer is equals to, our total fare is equals to fare of first kilometer, fare of this first kilometer according to the question, plus fare of this last x minus 1 kilometer. Now the fare of first kilometer is 8 rupees per kilometer, as this is the fare of first kilometer is rupees 8. Now the next subsequent distance, the fare of this x minus 1 kilometer will be applicable as rupees 5 per kilometer. So the total fare he paid rupees 5. So the total fare is equals to 5 according to the information that we are writing. Total fare is y. Fare of the first kilometer is rupees 8 plus, and the fare of x minus 1 kilometer is from the rate of 5 rupees per kilometer. So as 5 rupees of 1 kilometer, so for x minus 1 kilometer, 5 multiplied by x minus 1. Right friends, any problem? So this is our required equation. We have to simplify. We will get a linear equation into variable in simplest form. Let us solve it. Y is equals to 8 plus 5 into x, 5x minus 5 is 5. So we will get y is equals to 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 5x. This can be written as y is equals to 5x plus 3 is our required equation. This is the equation as the information is given. Y is equals to 5x plus 3. Now let us see the graph of this question also. Okay friends, let us see how to draw the graph of this equation. Y is equals to 5x plus 3. Right, Pichu? So we are going to find out at least two solutions of this question. इसके दो solutions हम find करेंगे minimum. So for the first solution, let us suppose that x is equals to minus 1. We have taken x is equals to minus 1. So if you have taken x is equals to minus 1, so let us see what will be the corresponding value of y with the help of this equation. Substitute this x is equals to minus 1 in this equation. Therefore, y is equals to 5 into x, which is minus 1 plus 3. So y is equals to minus 5 plus 3. So our corresponding value of y is minus 2. So we got the first solution minus 1 comma minus 2. Right children? For the second solution, let us take x is equals to 0. X की value 0 substitute करते हैं इस equation में. So let us see what will be the corresponding value of y. So y is equals to 5 into x, which is 0, plus 3. So we got y is equals to 3. This is So as x is equals to 0 we have taken, so y की value क्या मिली 3. So our required solution is 0, 3. Right? Therefore these two solutions, these 2 points we have to plot in our Cartesian plane and draw the graph of this linear equation in two variables. Right, bachcho? Okay friends, so let us plot the graph of these points. First points are given -2, -2, -1, -2, and second point is 0, 3. So let us plot in our Cartesian system. -1, -2. -1, -2 means this point will be here. Whose coordinates are -1, -2, this point. Second point is 0 and 3. 0 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis, which means this lies on y-axis. This is 0, 3. Now what we have to do? We have to join these 2 points. We will get our required line, required graph of this equation, required line of this equation, a linear equation. So join these 2 points with the help of ruler and pencil. This is the line of the equation y is equals to 5x plus 3. Y is equals to 5x plus 3. Right, children? This is our required answer. Okay friends, let's see the next one. It is sum number 8. In countries like USA, Canada, the temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. In foreign countries, mostly they are measuring the temperature in Fahrenheit. Whereas the countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. It is measured in the Celsius. Right? Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to the Celsius. This is the formula given, which is the linear equation in two variable. F, which represents the Fahrenheit, temperature in Fahrenheit, and C, it's represent the temperature in Celsius. So F is equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. So dear friends, the first sum is given in this. Draw the graph of the given equation. So what are you have to draw the graph of this equation. Easily you can draw there in your graph book. Second question, from second I have started here. Second, it is asking if temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then what is temperature in Fahrenheit? Means we have to find out. Here the temperature is given 30 degrees Celsius, it means it is the value of C is given. So since C is given 30 degrees Celsius, in the solution of the second part, so substitute this value of C in this equation, in the given equation, we will get the temperature in Fahrenheit. It is temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So since you have the equation F equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Now substitute here the value of C, which is 30. So F equals to 9 upon 5 into 30 plus 32. Let us simplify it. This 30 is simplified by 5. 5 6 are 30. And this 6 is multiplied into 9. 9 6 are 54 plus 32. Right? This 54 plus 32, which is equals to 86 degree Fahrenheit, which is converted into Fahrenheit. So therefore the answer is, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then the temperature in Fahrenheit will be 86 degree Fahrenheit. This is the third part of that question number 8. In this it is given, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then what is temperature in Celsius we have to find it. As we know that the equation of converting Fahrenheit into Celsius is F is equals to 9 upon 5 into C plus 32. So since here F is equals to given, since F is equals to 95 degree Fahrenheit, therefore substitute this value of F in this equation. We will get 95, which is F, equals to 9 upon 5 into C plus 32. Let us solve this equation. 32 is in the right side, having sign plus. Transpose this number to the left side. So this can be written as 95 minus 32 equals to 9 upon 5 into C. Right, children? Now subtract it. So you will get 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. 63 is equals to 9 upon 5 C. So therefore C is equals to 63 into 5 upon 9. So this temperature in Celsius, C is equals to 9 1s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Now 7 into 5 you got 7 5s are 35 degrees Celsius it is converted. So this is the value of degree Celsius when the temperature in Fahrenheit is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Right? It is equivalent to 35 degree Celsius. Right? In this it is asking that part number 4. In this fourth part there are two questions. First question I am solving. If the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, then what is temperature in Fahrenheit? Second part you have to solve. In second it is given that if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then find the temperature in the Celsius. Right? So F, as here given temperature is 0 degree centigrade, it means the value of C is given, since C is equals to 0 degree Celsius. Substitute this value of C in the equation. Therefore F is equals to 9 by 5 into C, and the value of C is 0 plus 32. So you will get Fahrenheit F is equals to 9 by 5 into 0 is 0 plus 32. Therefore F is equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit when the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, then the temperature in Fahrenheit is 32 Fahrenheit. Right? Similarly you can find it. If the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then you can find the temperature in the Celsius easily. Right? Let us see part number 5 of this question. In this it is given, is there a temperature which is numerically same in both the Fahrenheit and the Celsius? Means for the Fahrenheit and for Celsius, is there any numerical value they both are equal If S, then find it. So let us solve it. So here what is given? Here we have to suppose in the solution of this question, let this Fahrenheit equals to Celsius equals to X. As it is given, the numerical, both the numerical value is the same of the Fahrenheit and the Celsius. Okay students, so here as it is given, for numerical values of both Fahrenheit and Celsius being same, so we have supposed that let Fahrenheit is equals to Celsius equals to X we have taken. So as we have our required equation, F equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Now at the place of Fahrenheit and Celsius we have to substitute X. So here F is also equals to X, 9 upon 5, C is also equals to X plus 32. Let us simplify. Bring this 32 to the left side. So it can be written as X minus 32 equals to 9 upon 5 into X. Solve करते हैं. 5 is divided over here, it is multiplied in this side. So it can be written as 5 into X minus 32 equals to 9 of X. Multiplied by 5, you will get 5X minus 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 116 equals to 9X. Right? Take this 5x to right side, transpose it to the right side, minus 160 equals to 9x minus 5x. So minus 160 equals to 4x. So x is equals to minus 160 upon 4, which is written as minus 40. So for the Fahrenheit and Celsius, if they are numerically equal, so their values will be minus 40. Right children? Clear the concept? Now what you have to do, you have to solve the sums of all the sums of this exercise, and if you are facing any problem, you can ask the question, so we can give the solution of those questions in our next lecture. So friends, students, be happy, stay home and stay safe.